You guys cannot see what I'm doing, which I'm basically just screwing. I'm not done still, so. Tighten it a bit more. Pretty easy. It's kind of hard though when it's really, when the thing is literally big. This thing is literally big. And you're just working in this like small gap with like, if it's just a whole hand. Pretty hard, not gonna lie, but it's kind of fun. That's not going anywhere. Let me just zoom out. Look at that. Pretty nice. Don't worry about the background noise. It's well lit. So yeah. So with this one, both handles. Put the screwdriver here. And then keep looking at so. These nice handles. Nice and tight. Really tight, so it doesn't really start leaking from the here. So yeah. Wide angle, I mean. So anyways, we finished this bathroom, the master one, and it works. The first bathroom, we made it work. Yeah. Nothing is dripping from down here. Everything looks nice, tidy. This is just a block. It does work. As you see, you hear that? It goes down. which that one, this one is only for if you drop stuff under it, so not really for clogging up the thingy. So yeah, here's the shower. There's a few more stuff that you need to do before we call this bathroom finished, which of course we need to get the new or clean the old one. And we're gonna install the toilet or get a new toilet. Install the caps for these thingies. And yeah, here's the other one. Here we should be installing a different one, so like the other bathroom. Here's the other, we need to install the door too. So yeah, bunch of stuff we need to do, but yeah. So yeah, now really a bunch of stuff still. We just a little to do with this bathroom. It looks really nice.